Are you struggling to scale your business online? Wondering if business is just not for you? Don't worry. Today I'll be telling you step by step how to overcome these barriers. Also, I'll be giving a bonus tip and a surprise offer in the end. So stay tuned to know more. And without further ado, let's get started. Step 1 is to build a website. The most common mistake that people usually do is not having their own website. It's nonsense when you say you have an online business. How are people going to trust you? With a website, not only do you gain the trust of your customers, but also, you can expand your business worldwide. How, you ask? Let me explain. Take Amazon for instance. Earlier, it was only an online bookstore. With gradual success, it came up with an e-commerce store, streaming services like Prime Video and music, and eventually opened their own retail stores. Now imagine if they didn't have a website. How would people come to know? More importantly, managing all of it would be a complete mess. Let's take your case to understand better. Someone wants to place an urgent order but can't visit your store. What do? Obviously, they will go to your competitor's website. Now you have lost a potential client. Think how many clients would you be losing on a daily basis? That's the importance of having a website. When businesses like Walmart, Netflix, and Starbucks have globally scaled their business using a website, can't you do that for your own company? And let me tell you, designing a website is not that difficult. Anyone can create a beautiful website using customizable templates from Blogger and WordPress. You can create your own web page within hours. Isn't that awesome? Now that you have got yourself a website, it's time to move on to the next step, which is organic marketing. Are you aware of the potential of social media? Do you know that on an average, YouTube has over 122 million active users daily? And approximately 1 billion hours of content watch time? Instagram, on the other hand, has over 500 million active users visiting on a daily basis. Insane numbers, isn't it? When you can drive so much free traffic to your websites, why else would you miss out this opportunity? Another way is to do search engine optimization, or what is popularly known as SEO. When you type in a specific keyword, only some pages pop up on the first page of Google. Why is that so? It's because they have optimized their website and hence rank for that particular keyword. Pro tip. Once you get a fair amount of traffic to your website, you can also apply for Google AdSense. That way, you can earn income through traffic visiting your website. What an added advantage! Growing your business and making some side income at the same time. But let me tell you honestly, organic marketing requires patience. And completely relying on it is not going to help you. It might take months or even years to get decent traffic and promote your business. No one will wait that long. That's why we apply our next strategy: paid advertising. TV advertisements, newspapers, billboards, and radio are some of the traditional marketing techniques that are very old. Leave alone being cost-effective. In today's digital era, marketing your business has become way more easier, and as you might have guessed it, at a very reasonable price. Facebook and Google Ads are some examples of paid marketing. Earlier I had mentioned using social media and search engines to grow business organically, only this time, we would be using the technique of targeted marketing. What it means is that we would be catering to the needs of specific customers, instead of going about randomly. And trust me, this is a much faster way to proceed with online growth. Depending upon your needs and budget, you can place an ad accordingly. Another pro tip. No matter what the budget, once you generate leads from your advertisements, you should take the right call to action and convert it to sales. Or you might end up losing a lot of money. And sales conversion only happens with a great landing page or website, as we discussed earlier. Now you might start realizing the importance of a website even more. Many of you might have this doubt. There are so many people in the market. Why would anyone come to me? Especially when you are starting out, this is a common occurrence. That's the right time to move to the next step. Here is the game plan. Even if there are 100,000 players in the market, the right customers will be attracted to you. All of you are providing the same product, the same service. But what's unique about you is not common among others. Time for the bonus tip. You need to provide unique services to stand apart. People only come to you when you give something different. Say for instance, run some promotional offers every once in a while. Look at what your competitors are doing. Try to implement and improve upon that. Or come up with new strategies like benefiting your customers even more rather than earning through a business perspective. Because it might work initially, but won't be helpful in the long run. And finally, as I promised, it's time to disclose the surprise offer. Are you ready? I know many of you will hesitate to take that first step. And so in order to help you get started, we will be designing your website at a very reasonable cost. Check in the description down below to know more. Thanks for watching till the end. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. Get updates about more such content by subscribing to our channel, alphaDigit.